My name is Tim Sykes, and I teach people to trade stocks. I am a self-made multimillionaire, and I am the #1 ranked trader out of 60,000 on Covestor. I got started in high school, and I turned my bar mitzvah money of $12,000 into $2 million. I'm from a middle-class neighborhood. This was big money. Besides just making money for myself, I love helping others make money. So I have thousands of students now in over 60 countries. I've done a lot of press because my story is rather unique. I've been on CNN, CNBC, Fox, ABC, CBS. I've written for TheStreet.com, MSN Money. I come from this world of full transparency. It's not just about making money, it's about being honest. And being honest on Wall Street is sadly a revolutionary concept. Penny stocks are speculative companies trading under $5 a share. That's what I specialize in. There is manipulation, but it's very predictable. The manipulators aren't very smart. There's the ability to have a huge edge because if you have just a little bit of intelligence and if you're meticulous, you can take advantage of them. I started trading penny stocks because I didn't have a lot of money to begin with. Penny stocks are very speculative and they're very low price, so it's ideal for people with small accounts. I teach by example. I trade the stocks, but I also produce watch lists, research, videos, and I just try and get everybody to understand exactly how I'm trading, and you can learn from both my mistakes and my successes. What people can learn to do is just read disclaimers. Number 2, realize that you can short sell stocks. You can bet against these stocks. And number 3 is really just don't trust anybody on Wall Street. You can't save everybody. But if more people would learn to do this, there would be a lot less misinformation out there. There would be a lot less sadness. You have to have meaning in your work. If you don't have meaning, it's all worthless.